Hello Odoo users and welcome to our channel. In today's video, we will be showcasing the practical demo for machine repair app available on the Odoo App Store. This app is specifically designed for the businesses and companies in the repair industry, helping them efficiently manage the repair requests. With this application, you can seamlessly assign the repair requests to the team members and ensure that they are notified so that no requests goes unnoticed. So let's get started. So when the application is downloaded from the Odoo App Store, first of all, we will do the configuration of the services. So these are the 5 services that we are providing as a repair service. So you can add the services over here. I will add a new service to show you the same. See, parts oiling is the request that I'm added. Now after adding the request, I can see the service types with all my requests over here. Now we will go and create the repair request. So after watching the same, let me shift it over here and now create the repair request. First is the repair request creation. So I'll name the repair request machine printer machine. I'll add the subject line, a short subject line for the users. So I'll set the priority. I will add the customer name as well. Now next step is over here to add the machinery details. So I will add the machinery details if I have them. Now I can add the product. You can add if it is under the warranty. I can add the brand name, brand model, and also the manufacturing year of the machinery. If I have all this information, I will add it over here. I will add the color as well. Now next step is verify details. So if there are any details that I want to provide to the assignee, I can provide it directly from here. So I'm just adding the random details currently. Next is the queries. So if there are any queries that are there with the users, they will be assigned over here. So once they have any queries, they will be seen over here in my portal. Next is the attachment. So if I want to attach anything related to the query, I can upload the PDF file or I can get the Google Slide text or image directly from here. Next is the service timesheet which will be filled by the assignee. Next is the part used. If there are any other products used for the machinery, they will be also added by the assignee. Now next step is to add the service type. So I will add the service type directly from the list. And you can see all the configuration of service types are over here in my drop down menu. Next is the team leader. I will assign the team leader for the task. And next is the assign users. So I will assign the users directly from here. I can assign more than one users. Currently I'm adding only one user, that is maker. Now after all this information is done, I will save it. And saving the same, I will get another option is to assign. So when I click on the assign, this user will be assigned their task and get an email for the same. Now let me assign it to the user. So now as it is assigned to a user, I will go to the user portal as well and show you. First I'll show you the email that is required. So as you can see, new repair request is assigned. Name of the request and the customer name will be given in the email. Now next step is to go to the user profile. Now I will open the user and upon it, and here is the request that are assigned. So I am the user Megan and I will be given all the requests that are assigned only to me. I will see all these requests which are only assigned to me and not the other requests. So now I've got this request that is assigned. I will open it. On opening the same, I can see all this information that is mentioned by the user, the reply details as well as the query. So say suppose I have the query for this particular board machine, I will ask which um, which company is used, and I will again save it. As I save it, this will be seen to the user as well. Now attachments, there are attachments attached, so I can see that as well. Next is the service time shift. I can edit. Um, Means replacement will be added. I will add the time that I spent for the same. 2 hours spent. And now next step is to start the work. So first I will start the work and then I can mention the time. So let me just not mention time currently and delete it. Let me first start the work. Now after starting the work, I can mention the time sheet over here, that what work I have done for what time. So after starting this thing, now I can add the time sheet. You can add it before and after as well. So I will next month and 2 hours I mention over here. Now let this part use. So if I want to use any words, I can use it from here, and I want to purchase it or create sales order for the same, you can use that same. Now 4 words and the price will be mentioned. Now I will save this particular information for currently. And for this particular word, if I want to create the sales order, I can do it directly from here by creating a quotation. So sale order is directly created from here. And the query that is assigned to the assignee, I will go over there in my assignee's desk and refresh it. Now here I will get the query that is asked to me by the assignee. So now I will receive the query. I will answer it. So here I will say that any company will work in its own field. So I have mentioned it. Now as I save it, I will go to here and refresh it. I will get the answer of the same. So answer is received over here only. So here is the configuration that I've explained you. Now next thing that I will explain you over here is I am the main manager or say the assigner of the task. So I get the option to close and cancel this particular request. But being an assigned, I don't get an option to cancel the request. So this is the basic difference between both of them. So now next step is, let's say I want to reassign this. First, I have closed this task, and if I want to reassign this task, I will reassign this task to someone who is not already assigned to the task. So Mark them is someone. So Rajveer is someone who I want to assign the task because I feel this task is very lengthy and one person cannot do it. Okay, so I can assign the task to as many as user I want, but the ones who was assigned before will not be seen in the drop down menu. So I will again save it, and saving, the one who was assigned before will not receive any assignment email, but the one who is newly assigned will get an email. So this is the difference between the same. Now I will go to the assigned one, and here as I refresh it, I think my task is completed and I want to close the task. So in that case, I will close it directly from here. There is another button for need information. If you want any information directly from here, it will be posted in the query section only. So you can mention the information directly from here, which I have XYZ query. So if I mention anything over here and submit it, it will be posted in the queries. And now over here, I can refresh it and see the same. Here is the query that is assigned again. So after that, you can resume the task directly from here. So resume option is given to both of them. As you can see it over here, I can resume it myself, and the task is resumed now. And let's say the task is completed. I want to close the task. I can close it being an assignee. It is an assignee portal, that is Maker's portal. I can close it directly from here. Now once I close this, the team leader will get an email that Meghna has closed this task, and the task is now status as closed. Now I will go to the portal over here and refresh it, and you can see the task is closed and close time and date will be mentioned. So this is it from our side. Feel free to let us know if you face any issues while you are using Repair area. Our team will be there to help you out. You can also write back to us at support@vraja technologies.com. Thank you.